So I'm walking by and I hear this music and I think, oh, it's a little cafe. And then I come back and it's actually a automated coffee thing or drink thing. That house This is what it's called, RC Coffee, Robo Cafe, a robotic cafe place.
Me too.
I love when you see, you know, and then this is what it looks like inside. This is where it is. I mean, I think all this is all interesting, but what it means is that people have less work. And it's not like we're replacing not having work for people with something else. Like, it's not like we're increasing what's available as benefits to people, that it means they can have more leisure or they don't have to work, right? Or they can go to school. Ooh, I love the proportions. That's like a Willy Chavaria thing. Very good. All right.